Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solutions for Jira, and as we know, that is the best SAML SSO solution available in the market. In this video, we will be going through the Jira SAML SSO plugin's Remember My Login feature. Let's get started. You can set up Jira SAML plugin by watching our end-to-end setup video. The link is in the description. In miniOrange SAML Single Sign-On Configuration tab, you can see that we have configured Azure AD as an IDP. From the left menu, navigate to Remember My Login. Here you can manage how long your AD users can stay logged in after the initial successful SSO. Remember Me cookie sets a cookie in the browser when the user performs SSO, and allows the user's session to remain valid until the user explicitly logs out from the application. Enable it. Let's see how Remember Me cookie works. In the Jira Login Page, click on Use Corporate Login button. Log in with your IDP credentials. When a user tries to access the Jira again, he will be logged in directly, as Remember Me cookie is already set. Go back to the plugin. Here you can see that we have configured multiple IDPs, that is Azure AD and Okta. Now, go back to Remember My Login feature. Here we will get a new option, that is Remember My IDP. If this is enabled, the user doesn't need to choose the IDP from the second login onwards. He will be directly redirected to his IDP for authentication. Let's see what happens when Remember My IDP is disabled. Go to the Jira Login Page. Select the required IDP button. Log in with your IDP credentials. Now close the browser. Again open the browser, and in the location bar, enter the Jira's base URL. You will be redirected to Jira Login Page to select the desired IDP for login. Go back to the plugin. Enable Remember My IDP option. Let's see how Remember My IDP works. Go to the Jira Login Page. Select the required IDP button. Log in with your IDP credentials. Now close the browser. Again open the browser, and in the location bar, enter the Jira's base URL. You will be redirected to the Okta login page for SAML authentication. In this case, the Jira Login Page for IDP selection was skipped, as your IDP is remembered. Enter your credentials to log in into your Jira instance. Go back to the plugin. Ask for user's consent. Takes the user's consent, whether to remember their IDP or not. Enable it. In the Jira Login Page, you can see an option is being provided to the user, asking whether to remember their IDP. This was all about Remember My Login feature of our Jira SAML plugin. To understand more about the Remember My Login feature for your Jira instance, raise a ticket with us with the link in the description. miniOrange provides best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.